Rocket Pat here. Alright guys, it is another hot rockin' Texas day in the jungle, man. And I tell you what, it has turned out to be an absolutely gorgeous day. It was quite chilly this morning. We had some of that Canadian air down here making it into the 30. I think it was like 30 degrees this morning when I woke up. But yeah, we're rocking probably about 55, 56, maybe 60 degrees. And absolutely gorgeous Texas day. All right, guys, let's see what I've been working on. And it is almost time. It is almost time to take this and put it up underneath that and make them come together. This week, what have I done? Well, I guess it's been actually a week and a half. Things I got accomplished this week, and some may appreciate this, but present me thanks past me for getting in 2 pieces of glass for my sandblaster, because I changed the glass this week and put a new light in it, and man, that's like a new set of guitar strings. Hot rocking. All right, guys, so the reason why I did that was because I wanted to clean up the body mount pucks. Everybody's all clean, got new polyurethane bushings. I probably would have preferred rubber, but the only thing you seem to be able to buy is polyurethane. But they are good, the energy suspension. They're not the cheap knockoff stuff, so hopefully they'll last for a while. But yeah, got all that cleaned up. I got my cooler lines finalized. Those are all done. There's no more needed to be done there. They're clipped in. They're ready to go. Fuel system completely made, except for I still need to put the pump into the tank. I haven't done that, and the vent line and the return line. But I did get the fuel filter on and the fuel lines. I took a compression to 3/8 stainless steel pipe compression fitting to AN6 or whatever the hell, 6AN. And you can see the fuel filter, and yeah, and then we got a return line and racing all the way up and attached to the fuel rail. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the fuel system. I think that came out looking really nice. I had everything ready to go. Yeah, all clipped in place, not gonna go anywhere, and tight. So yeah, all right, that's cool. What else did I get done in the last week and a half? Let's see here. Carpet has been laid. That's that ACC carpet, Auto Custom Carpets, and still need to cut the back. Got all that done. Cleaning up on my sill plates. Probably need to do a little bit more cleaning on those before they're ready to go. Got a Coverlay for it. Got a problem with this piece for my headliner, and I can't seem to locate one. And the headliners, I find, go all the way to the back window and not to the half, so I don't know what's going on there. So still got to work on that. But I do have kick panels and such getting ready to get cleaned up and go back into the truck this afternoon. It's probably about 2:30. I am going to drop this cab onto that chassis and bolt it together. The other thing I did this week was I climbed up underneath here and pulled out the heater core and put a new heater core in it. When I got the truck, the heater core was wide open and the hoses were looped on the engine. So what does that tell you? Put a heater core in it. Took the AC box apart today and cleaned it all up. Got it all looking spiffy. The blower motor is stiff, so I'm probably going to get a new one of those. I cleaned out the evaporator core, cleaned it out on the inside and the fins on the outside, and it should be fine. It had Freon in it when I took this truck apart. Put on the Hooker AC box. That's part of their Blackheart series that allows more space through here for the back of the engine. Other thing I've done to this thing is in order for the shifter to properly work, which it should. Got to do a little grinding right there on the back of the head because this is going to pass right past it as the lever swings past it. So I got that done. Yeah, rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. Get this put back together today. And then unfortunately, tomorrow, I start taking these lifts down. Got to get out of this building. It costs me too much money. It's not making me any money. And I don't have enough business, and truth be told, I'm tired of just handing it over to the landlord. All this stuff up here on the top of this shelf and a lot of stuff on this shelf go to this S10. So I'm trying to push to get as much of all that weather stripping and fender flares and all that kind of stuff put back on the truck as quickly as I can, so that, because, you know, these things take up less space when they're all together. All right, guys, well, that is what I've got rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking on this time. And, yeah, I guess that's it. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. I'm about to go set my cab down on Little Johnny Dick. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it's going to be a badass little truck. I bet money. Mm-hmm.